Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota Highlander. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855022. Now before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided adhesive. You'll see it as this blue covering here and under here. You're going to want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that adhesive is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always attach the mount to the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach into the seam here, which is between this silver piece of the vent flashing and the actual interior plastic piece of the vent. And then the other one is down here. It's between this under piece of the dash and this silver piece here. There's a seam right down here. So first of all, we want to take these upper hooks and we're going to put them into the seam in the vent here. You want to make sure they seat and you want to kind of get them as far to the right as they'll go. Next, we're just going to press on the bottom of the faceplate until this lower hook snaps into that lower seam. There we go. Once it snaps into place, you'll have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.